guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm looking gorgeous, looking fine. You cannot come and talk to me anyhow. Yes, my darling. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing fine today. So today I brought you guys this spectacular, gorgeous, extra looking ponytail. So if you're interested, so I'm back. I went to do my makeup, and while I was doing my makeup, I tied my hair in a scarf so the gel would dry off. I used the Gorilla gel because my hair is really kinky, and when I use Eco Styler gel, it doesn't lay as flat as I wanted this video to come out. So if you are having my type of hair, then I recommend you go with Gorilla gel. And I used also this hair mousse. You must not use this one. I remembered I have it at home and I haven't used it, so I decided to use it so my hair can lay really flat. So yeah, for this video I'll be using this long ponytail that I made myself at home. If you're interested in knowing how I got my ponytail like this, then I'm going to link a video. I'm going to leave a link here so you can watch the video on how I made this myself. And yeah, so let's go ahead. So right now I'm going to unravel the scarf, and voila. Oh wow, so this is how my hair looks right now. Super laid. Wow, this gel is the eye. Eco Styler gel should just go and shift. So I'm just trying to secure my hair that I put in twist. Oops. Yeah. So right now I'm going to attach this on my own bun.
Mommy is nice. I love you, mommy.
So these two smaller sections that I made, I'm just going to wrap it around my own bun. I need some bobby pins, so I'll quickly get that, but let me see if I can do without it. I'm just wrapping it around. I'm going to get bobby pin. So yeah, I'm back. I got 2 bobby pins. I'm just going to secure it. And this other one I made on this side. And here you have your ponytail looking all nice and long. So here is the final look of the hair. You have the front, the side, the other side, and the back. So I'm just going to go up so you can see where it ends, right here. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.